Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore a beautiful word from the Spanish language that is Te Amo. Have you ever wondered what Te Amo means in English, or have you used this term ever? If not, then stay with us to find out. The phrase Te Amo is one of the most romantic expressions in the Spanish language. Its meaning is I love you. It is used to express your affection to your spouse or partner. But wait! This term is only applicable for spouses or partners, not for others. If you want to express your love to any other person apart from your partner, then there is another Spanish word which is Te quiero. Its meaning is the same as Te amo. So next time, use this term rather than I love you to express your feelings to your partner.